Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for all things home automation. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 5 best self-empty robot vacuums that will transform your cleaning experience. Say goodbye to the hassle of manually emptying your robot vacuum's dustbin with these innovative self-emptying models. They not only offer exceptional cleaning performance but also feature advanced technology that allows them to empty their own dustbins automatically. We've done extensive research and testing to bring you the most reliable and efficient options available. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's dive into the top 5 best self-empty robot vacuums and make your cleaning routine easier than ever before. Number 1. LaFont M210 Robot Vacuum. The LaFont M210 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a smart and efficient cleaning device. It features tangle-free brushes, strong suction, and a slim design for thorough cleaning even in hard-to-reach areas. With low noise operation and automatic self-charging, it offers a hassle-free cleaning experience. You can control it conveniently through Wi-Fi, the mobile app, or Alexa voice commands. Ideal for pet hair and hard floor cleaning, it provides daily maintenance and keeps your home clean and fresh. The M210 is ideal for daily cleaning and maintenance, helping to keep your floors clean and free from dirt and allergens. Its intelligent sensors prevent collisions and falls, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Number 2. iRobot Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum. Introducing the iRobot Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum, the perfect solution for your cleaning needs. This advanced robot vacuum features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control it from anywhere with just a tap on your smartphone. You can also receive personalized cleaning recommendations based on your cleaning habits and preferences. The Roomba 692 is designed to work with Alexa, enabling you to manage your cleaning tasks hands-free. It's ideal for homes with pets, as it effectively picks up pet hair and other debris from carpets, hard floors, and even tight spaces. Its advanced suction technology ensures that no dirt or dust is left behind. With its self-charging capability, the Roomba 692 can recharge and resume cleaning on its own, saving you time and effort. Plus, its slim profile allows it to easily navigate around furniture and under beds. Number 3. iLife A4S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The iLife A4S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and efficient cleaning device that helps keep your home clean with minimal effort. With a maximum suction power of 2000 pascals, it effectively picks up dirt, dust, and debris from hard floors to medium carpets. The robot vacuum operates quietly, so it won't disturb your daily activities or sleep while it cleans. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging dock for self-charging, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Equipped with advanced sensors, the iLife A4S Pro intelligently navigates around obstacles, avoiding collisions and falls. It has a low-profile design that allows it to clean under furniture and hard-to-reach areas. Number 4. Cority R750 Pro Robot Vacuum. Cority R750 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the ultimate solution for keeping your floors clean and tidy. With a powerful 2700 pascals max suction capability, this robotic vacuum cleaner effectively picks up dirt, dust, and debris from both carpeted and hard floors. The ultrasonic detection boost and avoidance features ensure that the vacuum navigates around obstacles with ease, while the smart AI dynamic navigation system ensures that it covers every inch of your home. This robotic vacuum cleaner is easy to operate and maintain, making it a great investment for busy individuals who value cleanliness and convenience. With its sleek design and powerful performance, the Cority R750 Pro Robot Vacuum will transform the way you clean your home. Number 5. iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum. iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum is a smart and efficient cleaning companion designed to make your life easier. With its Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and schedule cleaning sessions using your smartphone or voice commands through Alexa. The Roomba 694 is equipped with personalized cleaning recommendations, which means it learns your cleaning habits and suggests personalized schedules and cleaning routines based on your specific needs. This ensures that your floors stay clean and fresh with minimal effort on your part. The Roomba 694 also boasts iRobot's advanced navigation technology, which allows it to seamlessly navigate through your home, avoiding obstacles and effectively cleaning every area. Its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture and in hard-to-reach places. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.